Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Welcome to Wayne's World. A lesson in common sense. So what we've got here is we've got early Dana 44 front disc kit getting ready to ship out. This is going on a Dodge W200. The client has specified slotted rotors. Remember now, slotted rotors can give you up to a 10% increase in braking power. Why is that? Because they act just like windshield wipers. Your pads are glued together. They're a composite. And when they get really hot, things emit gases. Matter of fact, almost all things emit a gas. And that gas actually makes a layer between the particles at the pad and the rotor. And these just wipe that gas away, ensuring contact. Pretty simple, very effective. Just like windshield wipers on a car. So, here we go. Real simple. You got two rotors, you got two calipers, you got two caliper brackets, and you got two spindle brackets. Got a set of pads, got some bolts and some spacers, and you've got replacement studs, the same specifications as your factory studs, 1/2 inch by 20. 8-bolt. Shipping it on out. February 2019. Hell, only been out a few months. Several videos. Can't get them fast enough. Shipping them out. There's another one putting together right now. Gonna go out tomorrow on Saturday. Boy's damned excited. He's gonna pee on himself. Of course, when you got these old 4-wheel drives and no front disc brake conversions have really been available, or a couple people have tried and it's so damn complicated, it confuses me. And if you're talking about a disc brake conversion or brakes in general, and you've got me confused, shit. The normal guy might as well just pack that shit up and set it out for the trash. God bless you, God bless America, and happy trucking and stopping. Bye.